Two big platforms shaking up the crypto scene. Coinbase versus Uphold. Which one really delivers? On the left, Coinbase, secure and beginner-friendly crypto trading. On the right, Uphold, a multi-asset trading platform with an anything-to-anything engine. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Okay, so let me give you a quick outline of what we're going to look at.
Here's the plan. We've got fees, security, asset variety, beginner friendliness, and trading tools. We'll break down each one and see how Coinbase and Uphold stack up, sort of like a mini roadmap for today's video.
Let's kick things off with fees, because, come on,
who doesn't care about how much they're spending? So Coinbase actually does pretty well here. They've got lower spread fees and a variety of payment options, which is honestly super convenient if you're not always using the same method. But heads up, if you want to do a bank transfer, those fees get a bit steep. Now, when it comes to Uphold, things get interesting. They pride themselves on streamlined trading, and you don't get hit with traditional fees. That sounds pretty sweet, right? But, and this is a big but, their spread fees are kind of high, sometimes up to 2.65%. Ouch. So for fees, Coinbase takes the win here.
Moving on to security, because honestly, you can never be too safe in the crypto world.
Now, Coinbase pulls out all the stops with their security measures. They've got robust protocols and, get this, insurance coverage. No major downsides there. On the other hand, Uphold offers two-factor authentication and even a public transparency page, which gives me good vibes, but it's just not as extensive as what Coinbase brings to the table. So, if locking things down is your top concern, Coinbase definitely edges ahead here.
All right, let's talk asset variety.
This is a biggie if you like dabbling in more than just crypto. Coinbase gives you a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, which is awesome if you're all about coins and tokens. The downside, traditional assets are kind of lacking, so don't expect to trade gold or stocks here. Meanwhile, Uphold totally flips the script. You can trade not just cryptos, but also precious metals, fiat currencies, even US equities. That's wild, right? Their only catch is you get fewer cryptocurrencies than Coinbase. So, for people looking for the whole buffet, Uphold comes out on top.
Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know both Coinbase and Uphold offer mobile apps? Yep, you can trade on the go without missing a beat. I mean, who wants to be chained to a desktop anymore?
Next up is beginner friendliness. Coinbase honestly kind of nails it for newbies. There are tons of educational resources, and they even reward you for learning. So yes, you can make a little just by getting smart. If you head into the advanced tools, there's a bit of a learning curve, but nothing too crazy. Now, Uphold has this streamlined trading vibe that feels really slick. But if you're a total beginner, there isn't quite as much guidance. So for that welcoming, easy-to-understand experience, Coinbase takes it.
All right, last category, trading tools.
If you like fiddling with features, this one's for you. Coinbase Advanced packs in some serious trading features, which is exciting if you ever want to level up your game. Some folks might find it overwhelming, but hey, more options, more power, right? With Uphold, you get this anything-to-anything trading engine. It's super flexible, and they support recurring purchases. Pretty cool. But if you're looking for those advanced charting tools or more deep dive analytics, Uphold falls a little short. So Coinbase wins again in the trading tools department.
Just to sum everything up visually, let's check out the radar chart.
You can see where each platform really shines and where they're a little less sparkly. Coinbase leads in security, fees, beginner friendliness, and trading tools, while Uphold absolutely owns asset variety. All right, so here's my honest take. If you're just starting out and want to stick mainly to cryptocurrencies, Coinbase is definitely the way to go. Super user-friendly and packed with features. But if you're feeling adventurous and want to dabble in basically everything, stocks, metals, fiat currencies, Uphold's got that unique edge. Ultimately, pick whichever suits your trading style, but now you know where each stands.
If you want to support our channel,
feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.